Hey guys, Daniel here with David
Hey.
and Emma. We're going to get some dinner and then we'll see what else we do.
Peace.
Pizza and pasta. Yes, it's hanging on the...
Oh my gosh, it's
Hello! It was a rainbow lurking on the tree back at Kinkin.
Hello. Hi.
Hello.
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 Hello. I'm
You're
very
playful.
cheeky and like to jump on people's
Is that
shoulders,
very
maybe?
cheeky and like it?
You like to eat your son.
Alright.
I want to say bye.
I got dinner. You want to say goodbye to the bird? Oh, hot. David, take dinner.
Oh.
Oh, it's burning.
Oh.
Oh. So they're the large pizzas, our family pizzas.
Does that one have a look at?
They're huge. Let's put them on the ankle table so they slide off.
I'm glad it doesn't. I can't.
Oh wow, that's huge.
Wow, that's big.
That's big.
Emma's playing with the bird. You're a spoiled bird.
Oh, that looks
I'm
good.
gonna have to bring you out a piece of
That's
like
supreme.
fruit next time. You're so beautiful.
Yeah, you're gonna have to learn how to whistle to talk to it
I
properly.
can't. Can you whistle for me?
Oh my god, you can smell it.
Right, off to go find lightning. Alright, time to find a park. See some lightning.
Where's the book though? Here.
No, further up here next to these poles.
This one here.
Yeah. Next to the bin.
Beautiful.
It's an awesome park by David. And we lost focus. There we go. Alright, let's go get wet.
I'll have
Okay, so we just got the Gorilla Pod on David's camera and we dropped the 3/4.
What's the we?
Well, yeah.
It's a face.
David dropped the 3/4 adapter for the screw.
Alright.
Well, lucky we don't need it for this camera, but it's tiny. See if we can find it. Alright, that is it. That is it. I dropped it.
David would have just yelled.
This camera.
So that tiny. That's like the size of one of the caches that we've got on one of our other videos. Look how tiny it is, Emma.
There's no light holding me for light.
Is there a gang meeting or something?
It's tiny.
Yeah, I just be
Tiny.
careful. There's a lot of people around.
Oh yeah, the ants that were here last time. I wonder if they're
Oh, far out.
still everywhere. I can't see. Oh, I've got a flash now. Oh yeah, it's covered in ants.
Oh really?
How is it covered in ants if it's raining? Aren't they drowning?
Nope,
Oh my god, I swear
they're
to
just chilling out.
God. No wonder these little creatures have survived.
David's setting up the Gorilla Pod.
Well, it is water resistant.
As long as you don't get water on the lens, because that'll blur the
Yeah.
the pictures.
Trying to get a photo of the lightning.
Well, no luck with the lightning yet, but
Thanks for filming right as I die.
we'll keep trying. Here's some rain falling.
Wow. Look at that. Looks like practically day.
Oh, that's so pretty. Oh,
wow.
Wow.
I can't even see that with my own eyes. How is your camera getting
Holy,
that?
There you go.
What?
It's daylight.
that was awesome. Well, no luck here. We're gonna go try somewhere else. And we're getting pretty wet. David's taking a shot of the light. And hopefully he has more luck than I just did. Alright, at Nightcliff. Let's see if we can get any better. Should we go on the
Smells like that dog out here.
Should we go on the jetty? Police?
That's not police. That's community control.
Alright, let's go on the jetty. Great lightning rods. Oh, development site. Alright, let's go find some lightning. Alright.
Jeez, the tide's out.
On the jetty. Yeah, it's really low. Oh, like it's super, super low.
I haven't seen it that low in
I haven't
ages.
seen the concrete
Support.
bottoms.
Yeah.
David, can you see the concrete at the bottom of the poles?
Oh, I've never seen it.
I haven't seen that for ages. On the boardwalk, out under the night sky, under the boardwalk, waving bye to David goodbye. Under the boardwalk. Boardwalk. Oh, lightning, I just missed it. Alright, I'll try and get some more. Heaps better. I've been wondering why it's so dark in all of the footage. It's because screen brightness was down. So it's probably not as bad as I thought it was. Yeah, it looks heaps better. Bye, David. Eat. The lights are really pretty. And darkness, pole. That's a good looking thing.
I thought you were talking about me. I was like, oh geez, thanks.
You'll have to wait and see. So I can't find any lightning. There's no bolts now, it's just like sheets. And I can't get any on camera. I guess we'll just keep trying. Alright. Emma thinks there's a cache nearby.
It says it's 34 meters away.
Well, we'll see if we can find it.
See?
Where?
We're there,
Okay.
and it's there.
Alright, we'll see if we can get there.
Yeah. I win.
What's this one called?
Nightcliff Rocks with an exclamation mark.
Nightcliff Rocks with an exclamation mark. Why is it not focusing? Alright. Finger. Focus. Ooh. There we go. Alright. Autofocus should come up. Nope. Alright, hang on. Try fix it. That did not make any difference. Alright, there we go. Now we got to focus. How far away is it? 19. Yeah, I got my shoes. Hey, look, caching with shoes. Level 2.
This is sharp.
Oh yeah, this has the cracker jacks. No, are they the?
I don't
What are the ones that we stand on?
Where to go.
It's like thorns.
It said this way before.
Are the cracker jacks the name of the wasp things in that movie? What's that movie called?
Really?
Hunger Games. The wasp things? No. All right.
Like
So it's around here somewhere.
16 this way. What is it down there? It's probably just get blown away.
Well, that's the rocks. It says it's called rocks.
We have cyclones, I think. Hey! Oh, thanks. What is this?
This is
How have I never seen this before? I've been here my whole life.
NTA
Branch
Lands
survey.
and Survey Branch. Lands and Survey Branch. Is there any? Nope. Okay, that makes sense.
This way.
It's probably down on the rocks. It's called rocks. Remember, with the exclamation mark.
But like Nightcliff Rock, not like the rock, but rock.
It might be in one of the trees or something.
5 meters. 4 meters, 2 meters, okay.
Okay, so the tree. Alright.
We just
Is it
had
micro, mini?
Earth cache. Find out. Size. It's not listed.
It's not listed, okay. Let's see if I can find it.
It was found 5 days ago.
Okay. Alright, we will see if we can find it. No luck so far. Emma found some crabs. Where's the crabs?
You know the one?
Look at this little guy. Oh, look, hermit crab.
And then there's a couple over there.
Hi. Oh, some over here. Oh, wow, you're a big one. I did nothing. You told me go through settings. I went through settings. I said give me manual. You said I don't have one. That's how that works.
Well, every setting it doesn't pop up with the thing.
Well, then it wasn't a thing. Alright, back to looking for the cache.
I want to find things.
So we just found out that
Earth cake.
an earth cache just literally is like a location. So, found it.
Flat battery and...
So, yeah, well, we found it. Yay, I guess. That was simple
already
but
here.
hard.
Earth cache found. Oh, I'm going to log it as found though.
Yep. I'm just chasing a bunny rabbit. Hey, bunny.
Can we squirt it with some water?
No,
I might go back in its cage. I don't want to accidentally walk in dogs.
I have a torch. There's dog poo there. Catch the bunny. Oh yeah, they dug a hole.
Oh, really?
Yeah, have a look.
Where?
Alright. They dug a hole
Oh, I can feel
into the pool yard.
it. Yeah, and there's a hole right there too.
We'll go around and see it. So, pool yard. No, that's right. See if we can find it. Actually, yes. It's upstairs. Right. There's two here. Yeah. Alright. Alright, they're going towards the hole. Come on, go back under. Go under. Go on. Okay, one went under. The other one's coming to you. It's coming to you at the gate.
I can see it. If it tries to hop out, I've got it.
Okay.
Oh, it squeaked.
Alright. Okay, go in your hole, bunny. Go in your hole. There we go. Yeah, I'll put a rock. Oh, there we go. Alright, two bunnies safe.
There's no more bunnies. What about through here where they're digging holes? These are holes to get in though. These aren't holes to get out.
Yeah, no. All safe.
Okay.
Well, tonight was successful. We ended up saving two bunnies. Lost one. But we saved two. Didn't see lightning. Pizza was alright.
Pasta was great.
And I really liked the pasta.
We enjoyed it.
And David played with his new camera.
Woohoo!
If only we had a manual to read.
Yes.
Where is the manual?
Have to do some
There was no
research on
manual
that.
provided.
How is there no manual provided?
And we got the
There's
selfie
no
stick.
manual provided. It's from Hong Kong.
So,
So we just go online and we'll download the manual. That's
Yeah.
fine.
success.
High five.
Yeah.
High five.
Ow, that hurt.
Okay.
You're a bad
Bye.
five.